Hi everyone, Adam here. Today we're going to do a tech review of smartwatch Yamei SW023. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification button. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable smartwatch that has IP68 waterproof certification and it's compatible with Android and iPhone smartphones as well, then look no further. If you're a fitness enthusiast, then you'll love the Yamei Fitness Tracker Smartwatch 023. In this video, we are reviewing the smartwatch by Yamei. It is a pretty solid smartwatch considering the price point at which it comes. It is packed with several features that you will usually find in costly smartwatches. Design and build quality. A highly durable material known as TPE, a mixture of both plastic and rubber, is what is used to manufacture the Yamei smartwatch and fitness tracker. This is exactly why it can withstand so much rough handling. It's both very durable and flexible. The build quality is good enough to withstand falls and wear and tear of daily life. The Yamei smartwatch has a nice and sleek design, and the build quality itself is good. We have reviewed the watch with section for each thing, so it's easier for you to go through it. After watching this review, you will know whether to buy it or not. Yamei also has a high-performance battery in it. A load of mainstream fitness trackers struggle with poor battery timing, but with the Yamei you won't have to experience anything like that. It can run on one charge from 7 days to almost 2 weeks, and it only takes around 2 hours to get one full charge. This shows you how powerful the battery is. It's got its own app called VeriFit Pro, which can be downloaded from Google Play or Apple Store, and it's compatible with most new mobile phones with Android 4.4 and higher and Apple iOS 8 and higher. With the smartwatch, you can track everything you're doing throughout the day. The 8 mode in combination with the dedicated app will provide you with insights on whatever exercises you might be doing at the time. The wrist strap can be replaced and it's easily switchable. A charging cable is included in the package. It's got 1 year warranty. The only downsides I found with this smartwatch that it doesn't synchronize with either tablets, PCs or iPads. What's the conclusion? The Yamei smartwatch and fitness tracker is something you'll find hard not to fall in love with, especially if you're a fitness enthusiast. This product is certainly one of a kind, and it can do everything you'd want a smartwatch to be able to do. And the price is only around 35 British pounds or 40 American dollars. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. There's an Amazon link in the video description where you can find the Yamei SW023 fitness tracker for the fair price. If you got any questions regarding the Yamei smartwatch, please leave them in the comments area and I'll try to answer them. The Yamei smartwatch and fitness tracker provides its alerts feature. For instance, when you connect it to your iPhone handset via VeriFit Pro application, you literally will not have to be getting your phone out whenever you get a call alert, email or message. In fact, it even goes as far as helping you control the music on your phone as well. Most fitness trackers share almost the exact functionalities. Is Yamei smartwatch really that good? Let's check this out. It has 8 mode activity tracker. It allows you to choose a running mode, walk mode, bike mode, hike mode, climbing, treadmill, spinning and yoga mode. With this, you're able to enjoy a wide blend of exercises. It's got something called relax mode, another thing that records the headings of when you inhale and exhale, takes the data and use it to guide you on how to properly meditate. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. The smartwatch has also got an accurate countdown timer. You can effectively time your runs and laps. Tracking of Yamei Smartwatch 023. The Yamei Smartwatch fitness tracker and smartwatch has truly amazing tracking capabilities. It can measure almost everything you'd want it to. It can measure distance covered, heart rate, the pace of the jog or walk, sleep patterns, the calories that have been burned throughout the day. Simply put, this product seems to be a total package. The smartwatch itself is very sleek and aesthetically designed. It's ultra lightweight. It weighs only 38 grams. Yamei Smartwatch 023 has a 1.3-inch color screen and the 4 clock faces. Here they are called dials and you can find them in the settings. The screen also gives you the ability to adjust sun brightness. One of the best things about smartwatch device is its IP68 waterproof certification, which means that you won't have to remove it when you go for a swim or when it rains, so happen to catch you outside. What's the conclusion? The Yamei smartwatch and fitness tracker is something you'll find hard not to fall in love with, especially if you're a fitness enthusiast. This product is certainly one of a kind and it can do everything you'd want a smartwatch to be able to do. And the price is only around £35 or 40 American dollars. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. There's an Amazon link in the video description where you can find the Yamei SW023 fitness tracker for the fair price. If you got any question, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification button. Family Pop TV.